Buenos días, estudiantes. Me llamo señora L y hoy vamos a hablar sobre los días de la semana, the days of the week, en español y en inglés. So we're going to talk about the origin of the days of the week in both Espanol, Spanish, and in English, because they both kind of have some cool stories. Now for Spanish, as we get into their names, just know that this dates all the way back to ancient Rome, as much of Spanish language does, because the Roman Empire influenced heavily Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, Romanian, and much, much more. So we start off with the first day of the week, and the first day of the week in Spanish happens to be lunes, or Monday. Monday in English, day of the moon. Lunes in Espanol, day of la luna, also the moon. So a day was built into the week to honor the moon. Second day of the week we have Martes, Martes, which was named after the Roman god Mars, who was incredibly important to ancient Roman culture. Likewise, in English we have Tuesday, named after the Norse god Thor, who was also the god of war. Third day we have Odin's Day, or as we know in English, Wednesday. In Spanish it's called Miercoles. That's Miercoles, or named after the Roman god Mercury. Because even way back then, thousands of years ago, when they got to the middle of the week, they really hoped it would fly by. Next we have, of course, Jueves in Espanol, Jueves, which was named after king of the gods, Jupiter himself. Just remember that in Spanish, J sounds more like an H, so it's Jueves. And in English we have Thursday, or as it evolved over time, Thor's Day, or the Norse god Thor himself. And now we come to the end, or near the end of our week, I should say. We have Viernes, or Viernes, named after the Roman goddess Venus, goddess of love, beauty, romance. And of course, in English, we have Friday, named after the Norse goddess Freya, also the goddess of love, beauty, and romance. So yet again, for thousands of years, Friday has been date night. Now for our weekend, we have Sabado. Sabado, which of course is for the Sabbath. And in English, it's Saturday, named to honor the god Saturn. And lastly, we have Domingo. Domingo, which of course comes from Latin itself, for the day of God. And in English, Sunday, the day to honor the sun, get outside and enjoy it a little bit. For more information on the history of the months, which also is a pretty funny story, or for any other information on Spanish, please check out our videos. Gracias y hasta luego. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. If you would like to see more of our Spanish educational content, please feel free to check here, or subscribe below here. Gracias and hasta luego.